The flat shoe is the platform that the sanding belt rides against. It provides a flat, solid surface to press the sander against while sanding. Over time, the shoe will wear, resulting in a rounded sanding surface. If it is worn at the rear, near the bend in the metal, it can break off. Replacing the flat shoe is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the sanding belt from the sander. The flat shoe is secured to the sander with a single screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. To install the new shoe, I'll align it with the sander and then replace the screw. And I can finish up by reinstalling the belt. And that's all it takes to install a new flat shoe on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.